Settled at the foothills of Western Ghats, located in a sprawling 52-acre campus in Kovaiputur, Coimbatore, Sri Krishna College of Technology is a vibrant institute of higher education established in the year 1985. An extra mile of freedom to explore, to collaborate, and to challenge oneself is the hallmark of the college. Sri Krishna College of Technology is an autonomous institute affiliated to Anna University, Chennai, and approved by AICTE, New Delhi. The college lays strong emphasis on collaborative research and stands apart from other institutes by its participatory work culture, student care programs, and high industry interaction. In a span of 35 years, it has emerged as one of the premium engineering colleges for learning, discovery, and innovation. The college is accredited by NAAC with A grade. The college offers 7 undergraduate programs and 6 postgraduate programs in engineering, technology, and management studies. The clean and hygiene college campus is famous for its natural beauty and climate around the year. Passion for excellence is what drives everyone at SKCT. SKCT was also awarded the second rank in Utkrishit Sanstan Vishwakarma Award 2020 by AICTE. Adding further to the laurels, the Institution Innovation Council of SKCT has bestowed with 5-star rating by Innovation Cell. The college is ranked among the top 200 by the National Institute Ranking Framework, Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India. SKCT houses smart classrooms which are well ventilated and equipped with the latest audio-visual facilities and smart boards. Students are provided with technology-enabled learning and 24/7 teaching and learning environment through Google Classrooms. Outcome-based education, choice-based credit system, and industry-oriented curriculum and the syllabus are the key aspects of teaching learning process at SKCT. Product development centers and prototype laboratories in every department help students develop their ideas and provide support to real-time social and industrial problems. Libraries are an indispensable partner for study, teaching, and research at every campus. SKCT Library stands one among the biggest libraries in Coimbatore with the state-of-art facilities for comfortable access of knowledge resources. It houses spacious and comfortable reading, periodical reference, and technical sections. SKCT is known among its peers for consistent and top placement records. An exclusive career guidance division functions within the campus which does exactly the same. More than 200 plus companies from both core and service-based sectors pour in as recruiters for students at SKCT. Learning and development phase of students at SKCT are facilitated through andragogical teaching and learning process with frequent industrial visits, industrial training, and internship programs. SKCT has an ecosystem helping in overall personality development of students. Group discussions, extramural lectures, snap talks, theatre club performance, and individual blogs contribute in the enhancement of the communication and leadership skills among its students. Life at SKCT is always educating, entertaining, and enthusiastic. SKCT offers students various platforms through vibrant clubs and associations to develop their professional and personal skills. The overall personality development of an SKCT is taken care by activities carried out beyond the curriculum. It is not enough to be compassionate, you must act. At SKCT, students are made to act, involve, and encouraged to participate in activities creating social, economic, and environmental awareness. Sports are about those incredible moments where sheer human will and desire overcomes the odds. These are the moments we remember. State and national level tournaments at SKCT for students around the year provides every student at SKCT. An exclusive gym and fitness center along with yoga hall housed within the campus takes care of the students' health and fitness. The college also provides clean and hygienic hall of residence for boys and girls, a place where student makes memories for a lifetime, a home away from home. At SKCT, we've got some famous chefs and hangouts helping students with delicious food around the clock. Food court at SKCT, a place where friendship flourish and at the time ideas on innovations too. An exclusive amenity center is also housed within the campus for immediate requirements of the students. If you can dream it, you can do it. SKCT, a place to make your dreams come true.
Shri Gurave Namaga. I am Erupa of grade 8 and Ajuvna of grade 7. We are from the United Public School, Coimbatore. We are here to present a model on acid rain.
The things to do the project is 2 cardboards, a chart, color papers, 2 bowls, water, 1 pipe, 1 motor, 1 battery and 1 switch.
Now I will tell how we did this project. First, we took a cardboard. For labeling the grass, we took a green color chart and we placed it. For labeling the road, we kept a black color chart. For labeling the factory, we took another cardboard and we cut it into a rectangle shape and we placed it. And for the bottom and top, we kept a paper. For the coming from the factory smoke, we kept the cotton. Near to that, we kept a vaporing. In that, we poured some 7-Up water and a pinch of soda. We need 2 kind of clouds. One is white clouds and is black clouds. For white and black, we cut it into the cloud shape and we labeled it. And for the mountain, we cut it into the triangle shape and we labeled it. Under that, we kept many trees. And here we took a bowl. In that we kept a motor, and the wire of the both motor. In that one we connected to the switch, and another one this connected with the conductor of the battery. Here beyond the switch only the water will be flowing here and will be coming here.
Purpose of the acid rain. The overall goal of the acid rain to significant environment and the public health of the benefit of the public health in eradication in emission of the sulfur dioxide and the nitrogen oxide.
Why we took this acid rain? Because it is very harmful to our environment. To give awareness to the environment only, we took this acid rain. Now we will tell how acid rain will be formed. Acid rain is caused by a chemical reaction that begins when the compounds like sulfuric dioxide and nitrogen oxide are released into the air. These substances rise very high in the atmosphere when they are mixed and react with the water, oxygen and other chemicals to produce more acidic pollutants. Now I will show how it is working. Here now I will be connecting the conductor here, and now I on the switch. See here, the water is flowing and it's gone here. And this is a chart and this is the model. Thank you for giving us this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.